Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can make $100 to $500 per day with viral channel. So we talked a lot about viral websites, but this time we're going to use YouTube. So you can also make ton of money with viral videos. So I'm going to share that with you guys. Before that, if you're someone who's totally new to this channel and never been to the channel before, make sure you give a like to this video and do subscribe, because this is the channel where we talk about how to make money online and how to drive free traffic, how to do affiliate marketing, Shopify. So make sure you give a like and do subscribe, and let's get started. YouTube is the second largest website in the world. You can see it here. It gets 24.8 billion monthly visitors. So you can see it here is the world's second largest and third largest website in the United States after Facebook. Let me first explain how this method works. So you can see it here. To make $100 to $500, all you're going to need is 100,000 daily views. So this is going to be your goal to make this money. So 100,000 daily views per day. So it's really easy to get 100,000 views on viral channel, because we're not building personal brand, or else we're not trying to become Logan Paul or else Jake Paul. We're just going to create a videos on what's already viral. Let me show you guys some example. You can see it here. It's a watched entertainment. It's something related to a viral channel. So you can see it here. They only do videos about what's viral. You can see it here. Eminem. You can see it here. This is a Superman actor, and they made some videos about Avengers, and pretty much they only touch on entertainment business. There's a reason why, because the chance of going viral is very high on these niches. That's the reason. So you can see it here. They post every 15 minutes. You can see it here. 15 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, 32 minutes ago. So per day they post around at least 10 to 50 videos a day. It's really easy to create these videos. I'm going to show you guys how you can do this. You don't need any video editing skills, or else you don't need anything. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection now. So let me explain how this method exactly works. So you can see it here. This is 15 hours ago. So they post almost 80 videos a day, but they're not creating this video, so it's not taking them any time to do this. It's really simple. They're just sharing it with YouTube like Facebook. So let me explain how you can do this. First, you need to know what's happening on internet. So you can see it here. Eminem recently he talked something about his new album. So that's the reason they're posting his video. So let me go to Google. So just go to Google and just type something and go to news section. You're going to get ton of articles. You don't have to read any of them. Just go to the top one. Just copy the link location, and go to Luminify. Luminify is a website which converts article into videos. So you don't have to create your own videos. It automatically creates you the video. Just paste it here. Okay. So that's the URL. So it's going to ask you on which format you want the videos. So we need to stick with this landscape, because we are going to post that video on YouTube. Choose a theme, just skip that, and you can see it here. It automatically populates the video. So all you need to do is just click the lines you want inside the video. So like 1,000 of others, this weekend I traveled to Manchester. So it looks like it's a story. Skip, and you can see it here. If you just go through the content, and if you need something, just click that. It automatically populates a slide for you, and you can see it automatically brings image from internet. It's totally copyright free, and you can also make some changes to the boxes and the colors you want if you want it. So you can see here, it also populate images from the article. So these are the images you can use inside your videos. So all you need to do is just drag and drop here. It's just going to change your background. So this is how you're going to create your videos, because it's automatically creating your videos. All you need to do is just make some changes on the content. If you want, you can also add some videos at the background. Let me show you guys how you can do this. So you can see here, search million of copyright free media. Just search for Logan Paul. So it's automatically it's not bringing up anything. related to Logan Paul. So let's go to YouTube. So you can see it here. I'm gonna search for Logan Paul. Search for Logan Paul and go to this filters and click on Creative Commons. So Creative Commons means the user is giving you permission to use their videos. Just go ahead and download this video, and you can also upload this video inside those slideshows. So it's gonna look like something interesting, and people gonna watch the entire video, and your watch time is gonna go up. So it's really easy to make 10 to 20 videos a day. On at least you need to spend like 1 hour 2 hours a day to do this, because it's really easy. You can schedule all your videos for next 10 to 5 days by just doing this, because you're not creating your own video. Creating your own video gonna take some time, because you need to edit, you need to work on the audio, you need to work on the videos, but by using these websites you can make ton of videos for free. So Luminify is free, you can use them, and they do have some pricing. If you want to upgrade, you can also upgrade. And this is the free version is suggested. I made ton of videos with this free version. That's the reason I'm suggesting this site to you guys. This site is extremely useful. If you're just getting started, this is the best way you can make $100 to $200. Try to do this. This is going to take some time, but when you reach that point, it's really easy. All you need is 100,000 visitors, 100,000 views a day. Let me show you guys the my analytics. So you can see here, this is my analytics. I've been posting videos for almost 6 months, but it also depends on the niche. For example, entertainment niche, it's really easy to grow a channel on that niche, but I'm in make money online, so my channel takes a lot of time to grow. You can see it here. Right now I'm at 612 subscribers, and this is my analytics. You can see it here, the analytics is going up, the graph is going up. So let me show you guys. So you can see it here, like every 48 hours I reach 700 views. That means 350 views a day. That's nothing on YouTube. So this is gonna go up. Like if I do YouTube for 1 more year, I'll be sitting at 20,000 views a day, guys. So just think about the possibilities, because when you have viewers, you're gonna make money. So you can see it here. You're not just going to make money with AdSense. So this is going to come from AdSense. When you get 100,000 views a day, you can make ton of money with affiliate marketing. That's how big YouTubers are making, like MKPHD, the people who review mobiles. Let me show you some example. So Samsung Note 9, right? So you can see it here. These are some people who review stuff. So you can see Unbox Therapy. He's a famous guy in the United States, and he gets 2.8 million views every single day. So you can see it here. He's reviewing it, and on the description he will have a Amazon affiliate link. If someone clicks that and they buy, they're gonna get some. He's gonna get some commission from that. So all you need is like out of 2.8 million, all you need is like 1,000 clicks, or else 2,000 buyers. Let's say for example, I'm just saying this, you can see here 2.8. let's say he's getting 1,000 clicks, and let's say he's only making 50 sales a day. So mostly mobile like this will cost you around $1,000. Let's say they're going to pay you around 99 per sale. That's $5,000 a day, guys. When you have views, it's really easy to make money. So that's a concept. So pretty much that's all, guys, because this is the easiest way you can make money online. Take action, and see you guys in the next video.